Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to draw this Thanksgiving turkey with the pilgrim's hat, holding a pumpkin pie. Let's begin if you are ready. And we're gonna start our drawing with two curved lines facing each other, and this is gonna be the side of the head. And we will connect two straight lines going down for the neck. Connect both sides with several U-shapes attached to each other. And one more similar line above it. And on the top we are going to connect these two lines with one curved line for the rim of the head. We will continue both sides with curved lines and connect them back to the head. And then we are going to draw another curvy line right above it. Next step is connect them together. And now we can draw a head's belt. Somewhere in the middle of the head, we are going to draw a rectangle and another smaller one inside. Then we go back to this connecting point and draw a line going up. Another line here. And connect them together on the top. We need to add two more lines here to finish the belt. And then we fill these two parts in black to complete the head. Now we can draw our turkey's face. Let's start with two oval eyes. Add highlights inside. And fill the space around highlights in. To draw a beak, we will start with a small curve between the eyes. Then we're gonna add one angle line on the top of it. And another one right below. Let's not forget to add a teardrop shape next to the nose for the snoot. If you want, you can add eyebrows. As his head is complete, we can start drawing his body. First, we need to draw two curves for the sides of the wings. And then connect them together for the lower part of the body. Then we add two U-shapes for the base of the legs. Draw short parallel lines here. And draw his foot as three U-shapes connected to each other. Let's add some stripes for the legs. And maybe some tiny claws. Okay, next we are going to draw a pumpkin pie, and we will start with the bottom, just one curved line here, then two lines going up and sideways, and add one wiggly line right on the top of this shape. We will go on drawing this line on the top as well, and we're gonna leave this space for the pumpkin. Let's add some thickness to the crust in front. And add a small pumpkin right in the middle of the pie. Firstly, we're going to draw the main shape of the pumpkin. Then add a stem. And a small curvy line on the top. Okay, now we can connect this front crust with the pumpkin. And add some stripes to the dish. So now our pie looks like it's floating. Let's fix it and finish drawing wings holding a dish. We will go on drawing the same line and draw 3 feathers right up until the pie. And the same goes on another side. And we can add more texture to the wings. And to the belly. We are almost done here, but the tail is missing. So let's draw 2 lines connected to the body. And then we need to create a fan shape with several upside down U's connected together. We're gonna repeat the same shapes 2 more times inside the tail. And add more details to the tail. And we are done with the line work. Now it's time to add some colors. And at the very end of the video, I will show you a couple of ideas of how to make this drawing even more fun. Make sure you don't miss it. And our cute Thanksgiving turkey is complete. As I promised, Here is a couple of ideas of how you can personalize this drawing. Instead of the pumpkin pie, you can draw a poster, write any message on it. It could make a nice Thanksgiving gift for your loved ones. Or you can just go on and draw more Thanksgiving symbols as a background. As always, I would like to thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!